Every bottle begins with fruit ripened under the morning sun.
Careful harvesting protects both fruit quality and flavor.
Freshly picked oranges move quickly toward processing. Efficient handling preserves freshness from the very first step. Every shipment begins its carefully timed journey. Fresh fruit travels directly from orchard to factory. Precision begins long before the first orange is washed. Coordinated logistics keep production flowing without delay.
The journey now enters the heart of modern food processing.
Now the transformation from fresh fruit to premium juice truly begins. Every orange enters a carefully controlled production line. Balanced feeding ensures continuous and efficient processing. Thorough cleaning protects both quality and food safety. Gentle brushing prepares every fruit for inspection.
Dry fruit allows accurate optical inspection.
Advanced vision systems examine every piece of fruit.
Only the highest quality oranges continue the process.
Uniform sizing improves precision during juice extraction.
Controlled flow keeps every production stage synchronized. The real transformation begins as fresh fruit becomes pure orange juice. Precision extractors capture every drop while protecting its natural flavor. Fresh juice begins its carefully controlled journey. The first filtration creates a cleaner, smoother product. Nothing valuable is wasted during modern processing. Consistency begins inside carefully controlled blending vessels.
Every batch is measured for natural sweetness and balance.
Removing oxygen helps preserve freshness from production to packaging. Every transfer protects purity through a sealed production system. The next stage protects every drop while preserving its natural character. Precise heat treatment safeguards every bottle without sacrificing freshness. Rapid cooling locks in flavor and natural color. Sterile storage preserves quality before final preparation. Automation delivers consistency in every production batch. Uniform blending creates the familiar texture consumers expect. Every measurement confirms production remains within strict standards. Modern hygiene systems protect every stage of production. Balanced flow keeps the factory running without interruption. Sterile transfer preserves quality until the final package. Precision filling ensures every bottle contains the exact amount. Automation synchronizes every movement with remarkable precision.
A secure seal protects freshness from factory to consumer.
Every container must pass another layer of quality assurance. Clear identification guarantees traceability for every bottle. Every package receives its unique production identity. Human expertise and automation work together for flawless results. Robotic precision keeps production moving at incredible speed. Secondary packaging prepares the product for safe transport. Before shipping, every package must complete its final quality journey. Routine sampling confirms every production run meets specification. Laboratory testing begins under strictly controlled conditions. Balanced sweetness and acidity define premium juice quality. Food safety is verified through rigorous scientific testing. Consistency is measured with scientific precision.
Every bottle carries a complete production history.
Only approved products continue to distribution.
From laboratory approval to warehouse storage, every step protects quality.
The final stage is ready to begin. Every approved pallet is tracked from storage to delivery. Digital inventory keeps every shipment organized and traceable. Secure packaging protects every bottle throughout its journey. The finished product is now ready for distribution. Every load is arranged for safe and efficient transport.
Careful preparation ensures every shipment arrives in perfect condition.
The journey continues far beyond the factory walls.
Countless processes work together to deliver every bottle.
And this is how modern factories produce orange juice from start to finish.
From orchard to bottle, modern engineering transforms fresh oranges into quality juice enjoyed around the world.